Day 14. Today we have my friend Tom. He's gigantic and he exposed me to the world of vlogging as well. And he is going to show you how to make an origami shuriken with his pet cat. And he is from South Yorkshire and currently stranded in Wales. So bring it on, Tom!
Hey everybody, my name's Tom. Big shout out to Hiyaaah keeping us all busy, entertained, and keeping away the cabin fever while we're all in lockdown. She's asked if I can help out today, maybe try and teach you guys something as well. So hopefully we're going to learn how to do one of these little, there we go, origami shuriken stuff. Shuriken stars. With help from the cat as well.
So all you need are 8 little pieces of paper, preferably of 2 different colours so you can tell the difference as you go along. But the bigger the paper, the easier it is. So 4 of each colour, and we'll try and make this a little bit easy for us. So what I've done is just marked up the folds that we need to make. So each piece of paper needs to be folded 5 times. So once down the middle, top left to bottom right, bottom left to top right, and then these little folds at the top corners, okay? So if we fold it right in half, just down the middle, and make sure that fold in the middle is nice and flat. And then we'll do the diagonal ones, so the top right corner over to the bottom left, and then just make sure the fold is flat. Then the same on the other side as well, just to get a nice cross down the middle. And then we fold in the top quarters, so the top right just folded here, and the top left folded as well. So those are all the folds we need to do. If we just bring them all in together now, and fold this just down the right hand side, rotate it a little bit, and then slowly just push in the back of the fold, and we have one of our 8 little pieces. That quick, 5 simple folds. Okay, so we need 8 of those, 4 of each color. So I've done 4 in the pink already, and then we have 4 in the yellow, just so we can see the difference. Okay, so now we're just going to put them together. If we take 1 of each color and put 1 color into the back of the other, make sure that the point of the second color is going in first, and then align the 2 sides together and just fold over that little bit of paper that goes over the end of the second color. Okay, so we get 2 little folds like that, and then we just tuck those folds into the gap between the 2 bits of the second color, and that's 1. We've got to do that with all 8 now, so work our way around in a circle, 1 at a time, folding those points and tucking them into the little gap. Oops. So sliding that in, folding over the end, fold over the other end, and then tuck both of those points into that little fold that we have, going all the way around. Just like that. So this is why it's easier to have 2 different colors, so we know where we're going as we make our way around the circle. Excellent. And the neater these folds are, again remember to be using the point, not the 2 kind of little flappy bits, but the neater the folds are, the easier this is at the end as well. Now this is where it starts to get a little bit tricky because we're running out of space at the end of the circle. Just put that to the back. Okay, fold those corners in. Now this is the hard one, okay? So first of all, we want to make sure that we are just fitting in right between the 2 folds of the pink there, and again fold over those corners. But what we do here is a little different. You'll see that there's a few gaps between the yellow and the pink in the middle. We want to tuck those pink points into that little gap on that side, right in there, and then the same on the other side as well, folded and tucked right in. Give it a little squeeze, make sure that's nice and neat. There we are. So that's not quite what we're looking for, is it? So if we go around the circle and slowly start to pull in these sides and push in, we start to see that the spiky side, it can stick a little bit. So just pull from the points and push into the middle, there we are. We have the spiky Shuriken. Excellent. Nice. Little spiky spins as well. Look at that. And if we want, we can turn it back to the frisbee or the donut or whatever you want to call it. Just like that. Okay. There we go.